Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Thanksgiving tablecloths available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Benson Thanksgiving Tablecloth. This tablecloth is perfect for your holiday decor. You can effortlessly dress up your holiday dinner with this luxurious engineered tablecloth. It features a hand-assembled mitered border. It is made of 100% polyester and it is imported. It has fabric napkins sold separately. At number 6 we have Barn & Home Tablecloth. It is made of 52% cotton 48% polyester. This tablecloth is perfect for your holiday decor. This harvest tablecloth by Benson Mills brings traditional dining to your home. It is a traditional pattern jacquard tablecloth. Whether with a casual gathering of friends or a formal harvest dinner, this versatile tablecloth creates a look of holiday refinement. At number 5 we have Benson Mills Tablecloth. This tablecloth is perfect for your Thanksgiving holiday. It is made of top-grade fibers to last for years to come, and will enhance memories of sharing with friends and family around your table. This versatile tablecloth creates a look of simple contemporary holiday refinement. It is made of 100% polyester. It comes with two-side bordered design. At number 4 we have Benson Mills Tablecloth. This shiny fabric will brighten your day and table all throughout the harvest months. It is made of 20% cotton 80% polyester damask woven. This harvest tablecloth by Benson Mills bring contemporary dining to your home. It comes with fabric napkins sold separately. At number 3 we have Benson Tablecloth. It has elegant harvest-themed prints. This versatile tablecloth creates a look of simple contemporary refinement. This spill-proof tablecloth utilizes the latest state-of-the-art technology to put an end to stains on your tablecloth. This elegant and luxurious tablecloth is perfect for everyday use. This tablecloth is made of high-quality microfiber fabric materials. All Benson Mills tablecloth are hemmed, which creates a clean and polished look for your table. At number 2 we have Dye Tablecloth. These tablecloth sets are 100% cotton with a fun holiday design to help decorate your kitchen for the holiday. This dye cloth are a great basic kitchen essential with multiple color and seasonal options that can easily be mixed and matched with your home decor. This tablecloth features detailed embroidered autumn leaves on each corner and a subtle garnet colored edge stripe. It will become softer and more absorbent after washing. At number 1 we have Benson Mills Tablecloth. It features a festive story around the border of the tablecloth. It is featured with harvest-themed patterns and heavyweight fabric materials. This tablecloth is made of 100% polyester, which is great fabric for tablecloth, wrinkle-resistant, very easy to clean. This engineered border tablecloth will effortlessly dress up your holiday table. It also comes with luxurious jacquard fabric print base. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Thanksgiving tablecloths for your need.